So while we've got a little break in the weather, we're going to have a barbecue.
Oh, didn't realise you was filming.
It's alright.
Don't film me. Here for you.
Alright, it's just going to get this one started. Go and have a look.
Apparently Conrad's got his barbecue out. So we might just fetch our food over here so Conrad can cook it.
Have you got a plate?
We can get a plate. We've got some food.
No, I give you just to try because I haven't had it for a while, haven't you?
What? Sausage?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, we can try one.
Yeah,
I was
but
gonna...
I'm gonna say, if you got a plate, because I don't have one and a spare one. I mean, I could have it from the van, but I thought I might as well
we've got
use your own. Yes,
we've got plates. So Conrad's going to give one of his sausages, and we've got some fresh lamb over there. Only joking, obviously. Yeah, I'm going to set ours up in a minute because we've got a couple of burgers. Tried some of Conrad's Polish sausage. Look at them. How scrummy do they look? Oh, I'm going to have a chomp on these over here. Some burgers on the door.
Carry on, you'll be next. Bit of fresh lamb.
First time using this as a barbecue. Out in the wild, so to speak. In the we're on a campsite. Janet's shaking her head up and down and doing that. We've also got some lemon and garlic herb chicken breast steaks as well. Get them on. And she's sticking fingers up at me now.
No proof. The burgers are well and truly smashed.
There's 3 pieces of chicken.
Okay.
That looks like fish.
Chicken or fish? You need to get the other piece on as well, don't you?
Well, I will do as soon as, you know. We've got room.
They might be better with the tongs.
Hmm? Tongs. I'm not putting BBQ in tongs.
Behave.
You mean these tongs?
Yes. Idiot.
Might be better than a jar as well.
Crack on then.
Shut that door and get some light on the situation. Get some fun going on. Janet said something. What?
How long do you want me to film for?
About 5 foot there. I'll let you get your baps out. And look at them. They're going to be good then. First time we've had these. So, got a nice piece of chicken. Burger. On a cheese roll. So we're on last morning, staying on this absolutely gorgeous spot for a campsite, and I'm going to let you know how much battery we've used. So we are currently now on 66%. And that's after cooking as normal, plus the diesel heater running for over 24 hours. Not constantly running, but you know, it was set at 17, 18 degrees, so that's been on for over 24 hours. Charged phones, charged cameras, anything that we would normally do, and that's how much battery we've used. So I can safely say we'd probably be able to do a full week completely off grid and not use anything. I mean, we've had a little bit of solar the other day, but that just basically kept the fridge running, so it wasn't using the battery. But other than that, I'm pretty happy. You might not look it in the face like what I am. So yeah, so we're going to be heading away from the campsite pretty soon, and then we're going to be saying our goodbyes to our friends. Just got a few jobs to do, like empty the toilet, do the washing up, and you're probably going to say, why are we emptying the toilet when we've been on the campsite? We don't fancy walking all the way over there past Conrad's van in the middle of the night, and it's pitch black here. So yeah, just got a few jobs to do and then we're ready. Bye! Tom, Brooke, Conrad and DeRota, they're going off to another campsite now. So we'll catch you on the next one.